Hello friends, welcome to Pharmachem Insights. In this video, we will see some common interview question and answers on ICH guidelines. So let's get started. First question, what is ICH? ICH stands for International Council for Harmonization of Technical Requirements for Pharmaceuticals for Human Use. It's an organization that develops harmonized guidelines for drug quality, safety, and efficacy across countries. Next question, what is the main objective of ICH? The following are the objectives of ICH. First, to standardize guidelines globally. Second, to avoid duplication of studies. Third, to speed up approvals. Fourth, to ensure consistent product safety and quality. Next question, how are ICH guidelines classified? ICH guidelines are classified into four categories. First is Q, that is quality. There are 14 guidelines under this, Q1 to Q14. These are related to stability, impurities and analytical validation, etc. Second is S for safety. There are S1 to S12 guidelines and these are related to toxicology and carcinogenicity. Third is E. E stands for efficacy. There are E1 to E21 guidelines. These are related to clinical trials and pharmacokinetics. Fourth is M. M stands for multidisciplinary. Under this there are M1 to M13 guidelines. These are related to common technical document, that is CTD, and medical terminology. Next question, what is ICH Q1 guideline? Answer is ICH Q1 covers stability testing. It provides conditions and duration for stability studies to establish shelf life. Next question, what is ICH Q2? ICH Q2 guideline deals with analytical method validation covering accuracy, precision, specificity, linearity, range, LOD, LOQ and robustness. Next question, what is ICH Q3? ICH Q3 guideline covers Q3A impurities in new drug substance, Q3B impurities in new drug products, Q3C residual solvents and Q3D elemental impurities. Next question, what is ICH Q8R2 guideline? The answer is this guideline focuses on pharmaceutical development and quality by design, that is QBD, ensuring quality is built into the process from the start. Next question, what is ICH Q9? So ICH Q9 guideline is about quality risk management, a structured approach to identifying, assessing and controlling risks to product quality. Next question, what is ICH Q10? So ICH Q10 guideline outlines the pharmaceutical quality system, ensuring continuous quality improvement across the product life cycle. Next question, what is the scope of ICH Q11? So ICH Q11 guideline provides guidance on development and manufacture of drug substances, both chemical and biotechnological. Name a few ICH safety guidelines. So we will see some few ICH safety guidelines example. First, S1, this is related to carcinogenicity studies. S2 guideline, this is related to genotoxicity studies. S7 guideline, this is related to pharmacological studies. And S9, this is related to non-clinical evaluation for anti-cancer drugs. Next question, name a few ICH efficacy guidelines. So we will see some examples. E2, this guideline stands for pharmacovigilance. E6 guideline, this stands for good clinical practice, GCP. E8 guideline, this stands for general considerations for clinical trials. Next question, what is the benefit of ICH harmonization for industry? ICH harmonization reduces time and cost in drug development, minimizes duplication of testing, and allows simultaneous global submissions. Next question, how do ICH guidelines impact regulatory approval? It compliance with ICH guideline ensures data is acceptable across multiple regulatory regions, leading to faster approvals and wider market access. Next question, what is CTD in ICH? So answer is CTD stands for Common Technical Document. It's a standardized format for regulatory submissions with 5 modules: administrative information, summaries, quality, non-clinical, and clinical data. Next question, which guideline covers mutagenic impurities? So answer is ICH M7. Guidelines cover assessment and control of DNA reactive, that is mutagenic impurities, to reduce carcinogenic risks. Next question, which ICH guideline is for analytical procedure development? So answer is ICH Q14 guideline is for analytical procedure development and it is linked with Q2R2 for validation. Now let us see 14 ICH quality guidelines. First is Q1 for stability, Q2 for analytical validation, Q3 for impurities, Q4 for pharmacopoeias, Q5 for quality and biotechnology of products, Q6 for specification, Q7 for good manufacturing practice for APIs, that is GMP, Q8 is pharmaceutical development, Q9 is quality risk management, that is QRM, Q10 is pharmaceutical quality system, PQS, Q11 is development and manufacture of drug substance, that is DMDS, Q12 is pharmaceutical product life cycle management, Q13 is continuous manufacture of drug substances and drug products, and Q14 is analytical procedure development. And that's it. These were the most commonly asked interview questions on ICH guidelines. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more pharmaceutical interview preparation videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.